Everybody. My name is Chang, and I have the special privilege of knowing many of you in my capacity as Nuskin Chief Scientific Officer. But first, let me wish all of you a happy 20th anniversary as members of the ST organization. It has been my privilege and honor to know all of you. How time flies, as I still remember the first time when I was asked to speak to the ST group during the Singapore's opening of Nuskin, many years ago. As many of you know, I came from this part of the world, and I've never been so proud to observe the number of ST leaders who have become some of the best Nuskin leaders around the world. Not only has ST created such incredible leaders, but I'm confident that more leaders will come from this organization. In fact, these new leaders will achieve, I believe, even greater heights of success in Nuskin. Truly, I'm in awe of all of you, but most importantly, you personify the Nuskin's force for good tenet and culture. To all ST leaders, I salute your leadership. Perhaps by sharing my Nuskin journey, you can get a sense why I think being in Nuskin has been a highlight of my life. As many of you know, I came into the world of Nuskin through an acquisition. Back in 1995, I and several of my pharmaceutical friends decided to start a nutritional supplement company called Pharmanex. It was an idea that we felt could benefit the health of people by developing science-based healthy supplements that can actually improve nutritional health. The Pharmanex founders, including myself, believe that our drug discovery experience in the pharmaceutical companies can be used to develop meaningful supplements. We actually have developed several successful drugs, but we wanted to create even better products from natural ingredients to improve lives. After all, many drugs had actually come from natural ingredients, but they have never been studied scientifically to truly extract their health value. Despite the value of natural products, pharmaceutical companies are less interested in these ingredients because they don't offer patent protection, and therefore, in their opinion, less economical to develop as final products. These companies are actually more interested in developing synthetic chemicals as drugs, even though such chemicals require more funding to help to develop them into safe and effective products. So we saw an opportunity to start a company based on natural ingredients that are provided by nature but proven by science to build a stronger body and healthier lives. After all, these natural ingredients have been used for several hundred years and proven to be safe and effective. Indeed, many of them actually included in foods in many cultures. When we started Pharmanex, we told investors that we were going to build a science-based supplement company. And incredibly, we raised over $38 million to start Pharmanex. Just this simple story started Pharmanex, and soon our natural product-based supplements were marketed in over 30,000 stores in the United States. Our success was then noticed in the industry, and we became rather well known for our science-based approach in the industry. So only after 3 years of starting the company, we attracted the attention of Nuskin, who then decided to acquire the company for $135 million. In 1998, Pharmanex became part of Nuskin, and I became responsible for using the Pharmanex R&D engine to drive both skincare and supplements product development. Another important factor that drove me to start Pharmanex is my personal experience with the aging of my parents. I have since lost both my parents, But when they were alive, I noticed there was a huge difference in their quality of life before their deaths. My father, for example, because of his illness, had a horrible quality of life. For example, he was barely able to shave himself. He needed help to shave. And it was sad to see a man requiring such help. Simply put, this inability to shave himself and other disabilities make my dad's quality of life less than optimal. That was heartbreaking for me. By contrast, my mom led a great life. She was always mobile, and throughout her life, she has the mental acuity to play mahjong with her friends. Indeed, she had a full and vibrant life, and her quality of life never degraded. When she finally died at the age of 89, she just went to sleep peacefully and never woke up. By starting Pharmanex, my hope was to develop products that can support such quality of life throughout people's lives so that all of us can die healthy. A question that I have been asked is, why Nuskin? Why did Pharmanex got acquired by Nuskin? For all intents and purposes, it was not about the financial offer, because Pharmanex had other similar offers from even more well-known companies. I think at the end of the day, the Pharmanex co-founders believed that we shared similar values with the Nuskin founders, especially when we understood how Nuskin leaders will be able to bring the Pharmanex message to the world. In other words, it came down to how Nuskin is a company built by leaders, for leaders, and with leaders. So it's really all about all of you that became the deciding factor for us to join Nuskin. In fact, I like to think Pharmanex actually bought Nuskin instead of Nuskin buying Pharmanex. One of the major reasons that I've stayed with Nuskin over the last 20 years is the fact that Nuskin has never failed to keep its commitment to innovation. Since I've been with Nuskin, we have seen several product breakthroughs. I must say it would have been impossible to bring these products to fruition without Nuskin committing significant investments to these projects. For example, we invested more than $100 million to develop the biophotonic scanner. And we spent more than $50 million to build the beauty device brand. Finally, none of these investments would have been possible without our scientists, and that is why we also invested in an innovation center to the tune of $200 million to make sure that our scientists had the best state-of-the-art labs to let our 75 scientists to innovate. These scientists, coming from various scientific disciplines, collaborate to ensure that the best scientific discoveries are incorporated into our products. Indeed, Nuskin is a leading anti-aging company because of these scientists. Every single product in Nuskin, without exception, is carefully evaluated by these scientists to ensure safety and efficacy. So taken together, such investments in technology and people are indeed a demonstration of Nuskin commitment to provide products that can help you build a truly sustainable business opportunity. It is your success that tells me that people are getting benefits from Nuskin products, and your leadership is critical building a healthier world. One of the cornerstones of Nuskin science and technology is age-lock. Age-lock is genetic science that our scientists have been using to identify the sources of aging. And through this discovery, we are developing anti-aging products that can address the sources of aging at the most fundamental level. This approach has proven to be more powerful than other types of approaches because not only can we treat the signs of aging, age-lock products can slow down aging at its source, which allows us to live younger longer. Age-lock is a technology that overturns the old paradigm that there is nothing we can do to influence age-related aging. Indeed, we can. Instead of age-lock, by influencing and restoring the gene expression of age-related genes, such products can help the body to a more youthful state. It's truly a breakthrough in aging science. And by buying a biotech company called LifeGen, we have further obtained an exclusive database of genetic information that is particularly relevant in genetic aging research. By combining this database with our extensive natural product knowledge, we have successfully launched several products such as R-Squared, Vitality, and U-Span to great success. Plus, our beauty devices have also benefited from age-lock technology. So much so, we are now the #1 beauty device system brand in the world. Again, this would not have been possible without your collective efforts in the field. You should know that we have sold more than $10 billion worth of age-lock products throughout the world. Nuskin leaders continue to amaze me with your ability to make Nuskin as an opportunity for all with the help of these age-lock products. So far, I've tried to explain the impact of Nuskin science on innovation and how only science can create innovative products. But Nuskin science also has a fundamental impact on product consistency. We were the first company to develop a process called the 6S process to ensure that our products are manufactured to the highest standards of safety and consistency. This was a process that was originally developed at Pharmanex, and now we use these products for both skincare products and supplements. Simply put, unlike most companies, we don't just put ground up leaves in our capsules because we don't believe such products can deliver reproducible benefits. Think about it. Plants are dependent on the weather and soil conditions for growth, and these factors can vary from year to year. Some years, the plant contains high amounts of an active ingredient, while in other years, the plant may not grow as well. This means putting ground-up leaves into a product will never ensure that we can guarantee the same exact amounts of active ingredients every time, every year. Without the 6S process, you will never know what the plant will contain, and we can never produce a consistent product year in, year out. Moreover, our 6S process ensures that when you consume a Pharmanex or a Nuskin product today, you don't have to worry about toxic contaminants or pesticides that are usually found in plants. The 6S process gives us the ability to know exactly what's in our products, unlike what our competitors do. Quality means safety. Quality means consistency. At Nuskin, our success in the past, our current success, and our future success are driven by innovation. Our product vision to help unlock your body's true potential keeps us focused on tailoring products that meet your needs. We want to help you discover the best you. We want to feel like your body is operating at its very best, and for you to look and feel your very best. Many of you have indeed benefited, for example, from our unique TR90 weight management system that has been developed through age-lock science. It is a safe and healthy way to manage your weight and shape your body at the same time. We have also helped consumers to look good through innovative beauty devices. Can our competitors copy what we're doing? Yes. One day, they may actually be able to catch up. But our 35 years of unwavering R&D investment is unmatched in the industry and has created a proprietary database of cumulative knowledge that is difficult to duplicate immediately. We are constantly innovating. We continue to drive to the next level of product breakthroughs and to bring you products that are science-based and worry-free. As I mentioned, we lead in many product categories, and the R&D engine has never been in better shape. But most importantly, I hope you get a sense that Nuskin is a company that is all about you. We want to empower you to build a successful health and beauty business. Our products are one building block to this goal. Simply put, the Nuskin business opportunity is never old because we don't allow it to be old. Let me leave finally with a few words about Success Together organization. As I mentioned, I met many ST leaders through the years. At the beginning, I didn't even know them well. But what I saw and feel even from the beginning is their passion and dedication. Am I surprised that are as successful as they are now? No. There is an old Chinese saying that, in my opinion, describes the ST organization extremely well. And that is, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. That, to me, is what defines the ST organization. In science, I would say that is your DNA. Anybody who joins today can be as successful as our current leaders. I'm indeed privileged to know many of you, and I look forward to another 20 years of spectacular success. Thank you, and see you very soon.